Hey world, welcome back again to this new video tutorial with always people. In this video again today I'm going to be showing you something new that I came up with in Python. Now I'm not going to take a lot of time, I'm just going to take you straight to the point. Now if you are here and you're watching this video and maybe you feel like, wow, I would like to come in for a short course program with us, then I think there's a good chance. Just come in, don't take a lot of time, just come in now and start up the program. Then for you guys who are watching our videos from YouTube and maybe from across countries, and if you find that what you guys we are doing up for you, if you find it interesting, then you can always feel of something of which you can do. We can always do the program with you. Our online application or the online and the study portal is going to be completed soon. We're working on it, so very soon we shall be having up the online school where you guys you'll be in position to do the program with us. Now I'm not going to take a lot of time, I'm just going to take you to the point. I'm thinking of coming up with an application that can sing for me songs continuously. What if I don't have Yellow Sea with me? Now I was looking on how can I make up a simple Python code or use a Python simple code that can come up as to make for me application that can play for me music. Now this may not be something new because already been existing. Now it's just a matter of us utilizing them and play around with them. Now the version of Python I'm going to use for this video, I'm going to use Python 2.7 because it's more stable on this kind of the software you're going to be installing, the parentheses or the modules that you're going to be installing. So make sure you first go to your computer and then just go to your CMD and then just hit enter, and then we are going to get started. So the first thing that we need to do is to make sure we install the module that you're going to be using to make this application work. Now the thing we're going to install at the moment, like we said, we want application in Python that can enable us play sound, play music. I give us something I have already a lot of I showed you last time of video, so this time around I'm going to show you of the video of audio, how you can make a Python application that can play for you audio, things like that. So if you find this video interesting, just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I may use CMD this time around, I don't know, just to see myself started. Now the first thing comes in first. Let's first install the module. To install the module, just type Python 2.7 if I told you're using more than 2 versions of Pythons. If I told you're using Python 3 and Python 2, then you just have to specify by saying Python 2. Yeah, something like that. So mine sometimes I tend to go further by even specify the version like Python 2.7, maybe install for me something called play sound. So when you pop up, hit enter, it should be in position to download for you the sound kind of application. So that's all for this video because I'm not going to use a lot of stuff. So after installing that, let me just go to my Python environment. Pop up. It's going to pop up. Yeah, that's great. Now the challenge is that it's going to take me to Python 3.6. Now let me just try to see it where I have it also here. Play sound. Let me check what I have it. Oh, I don't have this one here. Sorry for this. Import for me. Okay, from play sound. Import for me play sound. Let me check what I don't have it here. Now it's not bad, don't worry. Let's just go straight to Python 2.7 just like I told you. I happen to install it in this machine, but just the disadvantage that Python 2.7 is the most stable one. That's it. Take it like that from me. So I think I'm going to pause them from moving Python 2.7 from because they're telling us in 2020 they are going to move Python 2.7. I think I'm going to pause that. If they remove it, I'll make my own program that do that, so that we can continue using Python 2.7. Or you can build more of the modules of Python 3.6 or Python 3, so that we can always be utilizing good standard stuff. Because Python 2.7 they gave a lot of time and got the right stuff. We have any module using Python 2.7, you can always work it out. So let me check that back here. I'm just going to start up my Python 2.7. So let me just open up here my free file. So great, this is great. So this is it. So I'm just going to save it. Let me just look where to save it now. So I'm just going to save it in the desktop so that you guys can see. So pop up. So let me just check where I'm going to save it. So I'm going to save it somewhere around here, my documents. So inside somewhere called Python. That's I'm just going to look for camera, and I'm just going to look for play sounds or something like that. Let me use that. and then I'm just going to crop up something called maybe example 2, like that. So hit enter, good to go. Now which sound I'm going to be using? This is what you're going to be using. This is a video which I'm going to use. I'm going to use this one of these audios. So we're going to be playing audio, but now here we can join as many audios. What I'm going to use at the moment, we're going to use something called loop. Now what's a loop? If you missed our Python fundamental for complete beginners, which was a free Python course carried out at OSP, training center, then I will say, guys, you missed, because that stuff is done. Now also, maybe on the other way around, if you happen to miss, don't worry. I, as OSP, I always make sure that at least I make for you guys the videos on my YouTube channel. So just make sure, go to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you can get started with all of this stuff. So I happen to make all the complete video for Python, complete basics, even up to loops. So you can always go to my YouTube channel, watch the video, and see how you can apply loop in the real world to make a real application, so that you can see, enjoy it. So let's get started. So the first thing comes in first. What I'm going to do at the moment is to import the module. So I'm going to simply say from something called from play sound, import for me something called also play sound, something like that. So you can always test your program by typing something called the print for you. What I'm going to try to say, print from something called the play sound, like that. So if you check that, if you just say print from play sound, it should show the directory where this in the scripts or the where the play sound is installed. So I think you can see the function called the play sound win at that blah 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 blah. No, that's great. So don't forget, it's found in this location of your script. If at all you already have it downloaded, or if at all you have it in your machine, you should find it in users documents, scripts, blah blah blah. Now I'm not going to take a lot of time there, just check it back. Good enough, the thing is installed. So which movie do you want to play around with? So this is what you're going to do now. I'm just going to declare a new variable. I would say import it as maybe as p, as p. So that's very great. If you import it as p, that implies if you print p, you're just going to say p there. That implies you're importing the entire stuff as sound ps, or you can say ps, whatever. It will still be the same thing no matter what it is. The ps, ps mean play sound, not so. So great. Let me check here now my applications. What I'm going to do at the moment, I'm just going to go straight back and update my stuff. So if I just say ps, ps dot what, ps, I'm just going to go straight and update my application here. Now this is the sound you're going to play around with. This is the sound. So what am I going to do at the moment? I'm going to do the following. So I'm just looking for that VLC sound. So it is just here. I'm just double click on it. So let's pick up the sound. So you just pick one video, audio, and you just pick this one. I love this music so much, so I love it. So I'm just going to go to something called properties down here, and then I just copy up this, this root. Get that? So I'm just going to back to my program, and then I just do the following. I paste it there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to change from backslash to forward slash. You get? So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to do that. You get? And when I come in front here, I do that. It should pick for us the stuff there. Pop up. So it does pick for us what we want. So I'm just going to take that, and I'm just going to make this part a little bit wide, like that, just like that. So we just try to make it a little bit, okay, by putting something like this. Something like that. I think that's great. You guys, you can see very well. Oh wow, that's good. That's good. So if you check this, what we have in our application. So what we're going to do now, that's read our application. So if I just click save, that's one alone is going to be ready to position to play for us sound. So when I just pop up and I click on that, the audio is going to start playing it up there and then. I want here. Wow, that's good. Now the disadvantage that it does not have control. That implies in the simple time, if you already happen to start up that application, it will not stop. It's going to play for us until because it is not restricted. So but we can go further and try to see how we can restrict it from being playing our work. So this was a trial video. So if you find it interesting, let's go back straight and put a look into this application and see what it can do. Now, to put one of us loop into this, I'm going to just define a simple variable. I'm just going to say maybe x is equal to having maybe 0, or let's say 1, because we're going to start from 1. Now I'm competing with another sound. So what am I going to do at the moment? I'm just going to do the following. So I'm going to just put a loop. I say while x is less than 1, or while x is less than 2, 3, that implies going to be playing 3 times, or 1 to 2 times. That implies 3 times now. That's it. So this is it. So that's the loop. So I'm going to do that. and then I just let OneNote print for me the following. So what I'm going to tell the program print for me, I'm going to just cut that program off and I paste it in between there. You get? So that's it. So the program is going to be looping into the program to that number of times. Then what am I going to tell my program? That is equal to something called plus equal to 1. So in simple terms, I'm telling the program that loop for me to starting from this kind of order. So this one in the other programming language used to just give it as plus plus. If you guys have not forgotten, sorry, if you have not forgotten, that's how we always give it in other programs. If you're not sure, you can always give it as equal to x plus 1. It's also another query. It can always work for you. So you guys can always watch up my video and then you get to know how to get started. Now this one alone, like I've said to you, is going to be important for us to loop the music. Let's see what it's going to do. Now there are two music playing at the same time. I think this is madness. My friends, I wish you next time you find this video interesting, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get tuned. So don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you learn. Don't waste time. Thank you. Next time.